Hi everyone, it's Debanddija.
Today we are going to make 3 simple salads. As we're on our wellness journey, we're looking for some healthier options.
Come on along and join us. Let's have some fun.
We're going to be doing some simple salads today. And the first one on our list is an autumn chicken
salad.
Base of the salad will be romaine lettuce, which we've already washed and laid out lengthwise and cut up in some chunks. We're going to throw that into the bowl.
So next we have some pears that have been cored and sliced as well.
We're going to use a little bit of color with some cranberries.
Next we have some walnuts. You can also use, any nut that you prefer, like pecans, anything your heart desires. But we are going to use walnuts today.
A salad won't be complete without a little bit of protein. We have some chicken that we've diced, and we're going to put that chicken in. Looks great already.
Lastly, we have some feta cheese. I like feta cheese, but not too much. So put as much or as little as you prefer.
Okay. I like a little more feta cheese, so I'm going to sneak some extra cheese in there. Okay.
Last but not least, we have some Kraft Balsamic vinaigrette. Shake it up. Okay, mommy, you tell me when.
When?
We're gonna just put some. That's good.
Let's see.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right.
We toss it together.
And then we toss.
A little toss.
Okay, so salad 1 is done. Autumn chicken salad. Next salad. Here we go. Okay, so now we are going to make a delicious broccoli salad.
Olive oil, extra virgin olive oil, mayo, apple cider vinegar,
so almonds mayo we used, apple cider vinegar, we used the bugs, and we shot the mother before we used it.
Very important, mustard, Dijon mustard to be exact.
We chose to use French's Dijon mustard.
Maple syrup.
And for we chose Ed Smith, is it?
Yeah, Ed Smith maple syrup, some garlic.
Well, we went the modern way and used some minced garlic.
And some salt to taste.
And for that we used Himalayan sea salt.
Exactly. Okay. So what you want to do is grab a large bowl.
Put a bowl here.
Yeah.
Okay.
Grab a large bowl, and in your bowl you want to add your dressing.
First.
Yep.
Okay. Okay.
And
Then we
then
do half maybe, and then.
yeah. And then you want to add your broccoli.
Okay.
You want to add your onions. We have some chopped red onions, cranberries.
So we have a third of a cup of cranberries, which we'll add.
Yeah. We'll add our almonds.
A few of those cranberries wanted to stay, but we're not gonna have it. Sliced almonds. You can buy the almond slice, which is a lot easier. Trust me when I say that.
Yeah. And then we toss.
Okay. Do I put the rest of the dressing on again?
Sure, you can add the rest of the dressing.
Okay. Broccoli.
Yeah.
Smells delicious.
Salad number 2. Okay. Bon appetit. 1 more salad to go. Strawberry spinach salad. We have calls for 5 cups of baby spinach, but as much as you would like. Then we have 2 rotisserie chicken breasts. And
We pre-cut our chicken breast.
yeah. And then 2 cups of thinly sliced strawberries. It calls for 5 ounces of feta, but we are just going to use a little bit of feta. A 1/4 small red onion, thinly sliced. And we are all done with our quote-unquote dry ingredients. Now we're quickly going to make a vinaigrette. So we're going to put our salad to the side.
Okay.
And we're going to grab our vinaigrette, which we have already made salads a try and comment below. Let us know what you thought.
Debanddija.
Signing out.